It was 240,000 years ago in present-day Cameroon. Adam crouched by the river, sharpening his spear as his tribe prepared for the hunt. The herd was visible in the distance, their survival depending on the day's success. He glanced at the sky, unaware that his lineage would one day be traced back through time, connecting all living men on Earth. Adam, that birthed today's humanity, was an early Homo sapien that today we call Y-MRCA. What was his life like? Why do scientists label Adam as Y-MRCA? And how did he become the father of mankind? This is an international family history, the story of Adam, our common male ancestor. Y-chromosomal Adam is known as Y-MRCA, which means the most recent common ancestor, and is the human that all males in the world are descended from. Although no fossils have been found, he likely had dark skin, dark hair, and dark eyes, much like other early Homo sapiens in Africa at the time. He likely had a robust, lean build, suited for hunting and gathering. His facial features resembled early human populations. Y-MRCA Adam was not a single individual, but one of many men in his time. He did not possess unique traits. His significance is in the genetics. His male lineage simply endured, while others disappeared due to chance, population bottlenecks, or lineage extinctions over thousands of generations. Adam's direct male lineage survived uninterrupted to the present day, while others eventually died out. Y-chromosomal Adam did not live at the same time as mitochondrial Eve. Mitochondrial Eve, the most recent common female ancestor of all living humans, through maternal lineage, lived thousands of years before Adam. Although both represent genetic common ancestors, they lived at different times, due to the difference in the way DNA passes down the different male and female lines. Mitochondrial Eve and Y-chromosomal Adam lived in different times, but each had a nomadic lifestyle, roaming ancient Africa's landscapes. Adam's survival depended on hunter-gatherer traditions and adaptability. His people roamed the savannas and forests of Africa, following animal migrations and gathering edible plants. They used stone tools for hunting, cutting, and crafting, passing down knowledge through generations. Fire was central to their existence, providing warmth, protection, and a place for cooking and storytelling. Spirituality played a crucial role in their daily lives. Nature and ancestral spirits were revered, with the sun, moon, and stars guiding their movements. Shamans or tribal elders led rituals and ceremonies, interpreting dreams and natural events as messages from the spirit world. Animal sacrifices, fire dances, and chants were performed to bring luck in hunting and protection from unseen forces. Burial customs suggest early beliefs in an afterlife. Bodies were sometimes buried with tools or ornaments, implying a belief that spirits continue their journey beyond death. Cave paintings and carvings from later periods indicate that early humans engaged in symbolic expression, possibly as part of spiritual practices. These traditions laid the foundation for the spiritual beliefs and social structures that would shape the future of human civilization, guiding communities for thousands of years. Speaking of spiritual beliefs, so what is the difference between Y-chromosomal Adam and the famous Adam of the Bible? Biblical Adam, according to the book of Genesis, is the first man created by God, the ancestor of all humanity that has ever existed on Earth. He is described as a single man formed in Eden, living with Eve before their fall from grace. His story explains human origin through divine creation and morality. Religious traditions depict biblical Adam as the father of all mankind, for whom all human beings on Earth that have ever existed descend. In contrast, Y-chromosomal Adam is a scientific concept, referring to the most recent common male ancestor of all living men through direct paternal lineage. Unlike biblical Adam, Y-chromosomal Adam was not the first human. Other men lived during his time, but only his male lineage has survived to the present day. His genetic legacy is traced through mutations in the Y chromosome, revealing early human migrations and evolution. While biblical Adam is central to faith, Y-chromosomal Adam is based on genetic evidence. One represents spiritual ancestry, the other a biological lineage. Both figures shape humanity's understanding of its origins, one through religion and the other through science and DNA. Over time, mutations in the Y chromosome created new genetic branches. This is the basis of Y chromosomal evolution. As early human populations migrated and adapted to different environments, genetic changes were passed down, leading to distinct lineages. Some of these lineages thrived, while others disappeared. While all living men share a common paternal ancestor, mutations in the Y chromosome over thousands of years have resulted in the formation of distinct haplogroups that led to modern genetic diversity. A haplogroup is a group of people who share a common ancestor marked by specific Y DNA mutations. These haplogroups form the branches of the Y DNA tree, helping scientists trace human migration patterns. The earliest known haplogroup, Haplogroup A, emerged from Adam's lineage, remaining concentrated in Africa. Over time, newer haplogroups formed, leading to the vast genetic diversity seen in modern male populations worldwide. This genetic roadmap helps us understand human ancestry and evolution. Y-chromosomal Adam is shrouded in mystery. In real life, he was more than just a fossil. He was a real person with a real life in a world that is much different from today. Thousands of years after him, Homo sapiens had become the dominant hominin, shaping the future of human civilization. Humans were well on their way to becoming the dominant species, setting the stage for civilization as we know it. So how did Adam's Haplogroup A descendants eventually shape the first African civilizations? That story is the next chapter in humanity's ancient journey. Until then, please share, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.